So you've got a business, a brand, or you're an influencer. You've been working yourself off with the most minuscule but sometimes really important tasks of business: social media and marketing. You get so busy with social media that it takes up more of the time than the main reason your business was made for. But what if we took it for you? The possibilities are endless. You can focus on your business while you focus on your media. The results? It works in your sleep. And you reach the world at your fingertips. Come join us and come join the world. 7ANGELS, a social media marketing agency constantly changing for your social media platforms and needs, reaching the world for you. Check our description and link below for more information. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We're putting out information for your social media marketing needs. Have a great week.